In this lecture, you will master the art of threading the Singer 1862 sewing machine. We will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you understand each crucial detail. Threading your machine correctly is essential for smooth operation and high quality stitching. So pay close attention to each step, whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills. Mastering the threading process will set you on the path to successful sewing projects. First, you need to raise the presser foot before threading the machine, because raising the presser foot before threading the machine offers several benefits. It releases tension discs, allowing the thread to move freely and preventing tension issues. It also provides better access to the threading path, reducing the risk of snags and ensuring proper alignment. Overall, this simple step promotes smoother and more accurate threading, leading to better sewing results. The next, you are going to take your thread and again remove the spool cap first, and then going to place the spool of thread in the spool pin, and again place the spool cap on the spool pin. And next, you are going to passing your thread from this first guide just right here and snap your thread. And next, you are going to passing your thread between this little hook, and now we are going to bring down and go around this piece, which is thread tension. And now if we look over here on this side, let me just for you see that this little piece here, it actually can move all the way up. So what you want to do is you want to pull it so that it is up, and then bring your thread around this little hook piece. Once it's around the hook, go ahead and let go of that, and you will see when you pull the string it and move it. Now just want to bring it up, and when I am up at 4 number, pay attention on this. So this is called the take up lever. This is very important. There is a hole in the very front of the take up lever. It's very important that your thread goes into that hole. There is an opening like a little slit that goes from the back of the lever into the front. So I can take the thread, and I always tell people that you are pretend that you are flossing your teeth. Okay, you are holding it like this and you are going to put it between the teeth. But instead, take it from back of the slit of the take up lever and click it into the hole. So now we are going to go down again on number 5, and you are going to see that another little hook here. So we will hook it into that, and then one more little hook on top of this. So now it's hooked. The next, we are going to thread the needle. Most of the machines has needle threader, but I find it easier to just do it by hand. So go from front to back through the eye of the needle, and now you have this long thread at the end. This needs to go through the presser foot. There is a little slit in the center of the presser foot, and you go through there and put it towards the back. Now your upper thread is threaded. Okay, so now we are going to insert the bobbin. So first, slide this plate back Every machine is different and different bobbin cases. So mine is drop-in bobbin case. So now take your bobbin and hold the thread like this, with it coming off the top, going sort of counterclockwise, and you are just going to drop it into the bobbin. This is called a drop-in bobbin case. It goes in horizontally and lays in flat. There are some that go in straight, but this goes, and those are called front loading, kind of like the washing machine. Okay, now this needs to go through this little slit in the case. There is an arrow showing me take the end the thread and thread it through that slit and click over to the left until it can't go any further, so that I know it's secure in there. So the bobbin is put it into the case now. Once the thread is there, you can keep that thread to the right, and also you have the thread coming out of your needle. Turn your manual stitch wheel towards you. As you do that, the needle will go down and it will pick up this bobbin thread. As it comes back up, you can take your scissors and run them underneath to pull the bobbin thread up. And now the bobbin thread is on top of the machine. Take both your thread so that they are together through the slit of the presser foot and to the back. Last thing to do, just simply close the bobbin case plate, and now you are ready to sew. In this lecture you have learned how to thread the machine and insert the bobbin, two fundamental steps in preparing your sewing machine for use. Proper threading ensures smooth stitching and prevents thread jams, while inserting the bobbin correctly ensures even tension throughout your stitches. By mastering these basic techniques, you are now equipped to start your sewing projects with confidence. Remember to always refer back to this lecture whenever you need a refresher, and happy sewing!